Dennis, there's a new twist in a high-profile murder case out of Pinellas County. Attorneys for Publix shooter Rouch waived their right to a closing argument, sending the case to the jury earlier than expected. Our Jacqueline Ingles has the very latest tonight on jury deliberations.
Emotions are running high for families on both sides in this case. Today is a day they've been waiting for more than 2 years, and a verdict could be handed down at any minute. A surprising move by an accused murderer's attorney came just before jurors began deliberating.
Your Honor, at this time, the defense would waive their right to a closing argument.
By not addressing jurors, Tragos stopped lead prosecutor Fred Schaub from getting an opportunity to get the final word in court. Tom Koskinos, who is Schaub's second chair in the trial, did spend 30 minutes delivering a closing argument.
I kill him. I kill him. I kill him. That was her response. She was formulating the intent days earlier.
Koskinos told jurors Rouch's attorneys did not prove their client was legally insane when she shot Greg Janowski in the parking lot of a Tarpon Springs Publix in 2010.
She's reacting out of ego. She's acting out of retaliation.
Through the trial, Rouch's attorneys told jurors Rouch was the real victim, having endured bullying, harassment, and even racial discrimination at Janowski's hands. Tragos contends when his client was fired for threatening Janowski, she snapped. Tragos even went on to argue that his client was so mentally shattered, she wanted to be killed by police in that Publix. It's an argument prosecutors tried to crush right up until the last few minutes of their closing argument.
That is not suicide by cop. That's gun battle with cops.
Rouch is also facing 2 attempted murder charges for opening fire on law enforcement officers inside that Publix. Throughout this trial, there was a lot of talk about if and how much Rouch's culture played into this shooting. Coming up at 11, we'll see if this was a factor in what the jury decides. Our Chris Martinez is here on standby waiting for that verdict to be handed down. At the Pinellas County Criminal Justice Center, Jacqueline Ingles, ABC Action News.